welcome to a tutorial on, and basically this is aimed at using the software rather than the hardware. So I was doing some sound design and I tend to use hardware. I do use this sometimes in conjunction with the hardware, the software 2.0, and I was like, how do you increase the sample length on the MPC 2.0 software DAW? And it got me thinking. So it took me a little while to work it out, so about 15 minutes. But when I was setting up the sample, so I went to set up a resample, trying to create some eerie noises, and I was trying to see how I could increase this. And there's a lot on this screen, but this wasn't checked. So my Q links wasn't checked. So clicking on that, I noticed that I've got adjustments for minutes and adjustments for seconds here, and that's what I was given, 20 seconds. And I've also got adjustment for the threshold when I want the sample to start recording. I tend to keep that at 0 anyway. Here we go. And that's how you do it.